Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the fonts you need, choose families and specific weights. Download the source files, then subset to only the characters your site uses. This cuts bytes and speeds offline loads. Once done, convert or generate WAF2 and WAF formats for broad browser compatibility. Make consistent file names like inter 400. WAF2 so you can reference them reliably. Store these files in your project's /fonts folder. This immediate action puts the actual font assets under your control. You now declare it font face in a CSS file that loads before main styles. Define src with WAF2 first, then WAF, include format hints, and set font display. Swap so text remains readable while fonts load. Make sure your server serves font/WAF2 and font/WAF MIME types and sets cache control with a long max age to keep fonts offline. Once done, add preload links for critical fonts and use cross-origin when required. This reduces layout shifts and helps offline-first performance. You finish by making fonts available offline, register a service worker, and add your font files to the install cache, or include them in the web app manifest for PWAs. Once cached, test in DevTools with network set to offline and confirm your pages render with the stored fonts. Make sure to check file paths, CORS headers, and MIME types if a font fails. Rebuild any subset that shows missing glyphs. If a font still fails, clear caches and redeploy with corrected headers, then verify again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.